Bike swap! Yay! Oh wow. Which one are we going to? Oh, there it goes. Oh man, this thing's different. It's real burpy.
What?
It's really burpy if you decel on your engine. That one's like that, but not as bad.
It's got some pull to it though.
Yeah. A lot more pull. It started going, I was like, oh, I gotta back off here. Alright. It's definitely weird seeing someone else on your bike. Oh, that's all she's got for gears. Okay. I didn't realize I went up the gears so quick. Fuck, that thing's hard to read. It's definitely different having mirrors you can see out of again, too. Alright, so where we're going, there's usually some pretty good puddles, and it just rained, so it'll be interesting. I don't want to leave Rex behind, because I don't know if he wants to wring the neck out of my 250. One thing I like about that one is, like, unlike the WR250R, you don't need to wring it out to get it going. Definitely helps to get it going, but you don't need to. Those rubber mounted pegs feel fucking weird. I kind of like it, they do feel weird. See, the fun thing is, he's going to be used to having, like, the DR650's power. That thing's not even close. That's like, got half the power. This thing's got about 40 pounds on it, maybe 50, but the oomph just isn't there. $47,000 on the mystery odometer. It's pretty fucking good. I haven't been on a bike that's this smooth at 100 in a long while. The KLX isn't that bad, it's just it ain't that smooth. I don't know if Rex realized that thing does have the oomph to pass at 90. This thing feels really fucking good though. I mean, for a bike that's got as many miles on it as it does, it's definitely there. I mean, it feels like it's good. So I don't think Rex knows, is that trail right there, and like right there leads into where we're going. Oh geez, that's a wind blast. I feel a little bit more cramped in the legs for some reason. I don't know why. I guess the pegs on this are just a little bit higher. We definitely see why he likes this bike for traveling. Definitely way more comfy than mine. Oh wow, you can actually roll on and go uphill with this. That's amazing. I don't trust that truck. It sounds like shit's about to fall off that truck. Alright, we gotta be getting close to the trailer park. That was a fucking bungee strap. Alright, apparently Rex wants to pass. That thing sounds mean, especially for the displacement it is. We're almost there, so... I wonder if you're going to see the LED light not just blinking away, just pip, 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 pip. My bike has the DRC Edge on it. That's the trailer park. Oh, come on. Come on!
Okay, I want my bike back.
You missed the power, don't you?
I missed the power, yeah. I know it's not a lot of power, but more than yours. But yours is very comfortable.
Yeah, it is.
Very comfortable.
It's deceptively comfortable.
Yeah.
Like, you wouldn't think that something that looks this much like a dirt bike is comfy. The first thing I noticed when I got on your bike is the rubber mounted peg. Because it felt like the peg dropped. You got the stock pegs.